The topic today is so personal to me because when I started learning to code 10 years ago, where I lived, it was something very few people knew what it is. I have struggled to learn it by myself. I had hard time explaining what I was learning to my friends. So if they didn't know what it was, there was no way they could help me. If you are learning to code alone and trying to be successful, please don't give up. I have gone through a lot to get to where I am today. I'm sure you can do this. So let's get to this. Today we are going to talk about the tutorial hell, which every self-taught developer gets stuck in. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's when you watch tutorial after tutorial, but somehow you can't apply the knowledge on your own. If you felt that at any point in your learning journey, you are not alone. Any self-taught developer, including myself, has gone through it at many points in our learning journey. So don't be afraid, because in today's video, I'm going to guide you through this and help you escape the tutorial hell once and for all. No one deserves to go through the same pain I went through, so let's start digging our way out. First step on our journey to escape tutorial hell is to break the cycle of passive learning. How can we break the cycle? By challenging ourselves to add simple functionality to each tutorial we watch. Whether that functionality is an extra button or a small change to the existing parts of the code. The point is to write one or more lines of code by yourself, given each tutorial you watch. Don't be afraid to break the code. All developers, even those with years of experience, break their code and make it work again, and sometimes takes them days to find the root cause of the problem, which might take few seconds to fix it when they find the source of the issue. So breaking the code and making it work again will give you the confidence you need to escape the tutorial hell. Now let's move to step 2. Start creating simple projects without referencing any tutorials. It doesn't have to be perfect. It only needs to do one simple feature. An example of this would be a login form, just 2 inputs and a button, or any other thing you believe is achievable. Don't underestimate their size. They will help you get there. By working on them independently, you are reinforcing your skills and gaining confidence in your abilities. Step 3 is all about rinse and repeat. Take the small projects you made and try to expand them, add new features to them, and experiment with different functionalities. Remember, every line of code you write takes you one step closer to breaking free from the tutorial hell. Don't stop there. Try to combine your previous small projects to create bigger, more complex projects. Use the small projects as pieces of a puzzle. They fit together and make something bigger and more beautiful. Last but not least, in step 4, many people advise you to stop watching tutorials. We have a piece of advice that's often overlooked. Don't rule out tutorials completely. Tutorials are valuable resources that provide you guidance and introduce you to new concepts. The key is to balance between watching and writing something on your own. Use tutorials as a tool to learn specific techniques, but always try to implement what you have learned independently. That healthy dose of tutorials combined with your independent projects will keep you on the right track without falling back into the hole of tutorial hell. And there you have it, folks, your guide to escaping tutorial hell. Remember, it's all about active learning, practice, and finding the right balance. So go ahead and start coding. Let your creativity follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy coding. Until next time, keep on learning and keep on coding.